Vallox has operated in the ventilation sector and particularly in housing ventilation for 50 years. Now the company wants to offer its customers an even wider product selection. Vallox is launching compact air handling units that are suited to various applications, including offices and commercial spaces, public premises such as daycare centres and schools, and sports and leisure facilities. The collection includes 4 units with vertical air ducts, whose air volumes range from 500 to 1,800 litres per second. The units have been designed for harsh northern conditions. All units have an efficient plate heat exchanger and a segment defrosting with a bypass duct. Since the airflows do not mix in the plate heat exchanger, the units are suited to most applications. The structure of the units meets the requirements of the hygiene standard. The air tightness and strength of the casing are of top class, and the heat transmission class of the frame is T2 TB2, providing the units with a good sound and thermal insulation properties. The exterior dimensions of the units have been designed so that they can be hauled into place through standard sized doors. In the case of the 2 largest units, this is enabled by their modular structure. The installation location of the units can be chosen flexibly, as the handedness does not need to be specified in advance, but the side on which the control panel is located can be chosen freely. The units can be serviced from either side. Thanks to their elegant look, the units can be installed even in a visible location. The units can be delivered as terminal block units, in which case the desired automatics can be installed in them, or they can be connected to an existing house automation system. Alternatively, the units can be delivered with electric equipment and controls, in which case the automatics are also made by Vallox. In this case, the delivery includes a touchscreen control panel. Vallox Vallox Pureo selection software enables easy dimensioning of the units. The cloud-based software is always up to date. It provides precise calculation results that can be saved or exported to various programs. It is also easy to configure the diverse accessory options in the software. Units are delivered from Finland, where our technical support and spare parts are also provided. Through our local distribution network, we aim to serve our customer needs globally.